Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to update Discord app on your device. To get started, open Play Store app on your device. Now search for Discord update on Play Store and Discord app will be available. And if an update is available, you will see an update button next to the app. Tap this button to update Discord. Now it will take some time to get updated. Wait for a while, and once you are done, you are good to go. This is how easily you can update Discord on your device.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.